Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. So starting way back here towards the transom, you can see this boat is equipped with our submersible swim seat here. So this seat is going to drop down in the water, give you somewhere to sit that's actually in the water, and give you another convenient way to climb back up into the boat here. Moving on over a little bit, you can see we've got the tow bar right on top of our Mercury 300 Verado here. So that's a lot of power behind this 23-foot boat. You're able to take full advantage of this tow bar here. Also, awesome new feature for 2025 is this new lily pad ladder. So you can see you've got this tether here to use as a way to pull it back into the boat and drop it on down. Kind of forms more of a staircase step down into the water, much easier to get in and out of the boat that way. This boat also has your safety chains to attach to your fender rails. That way you can legally ride facing aft on this lounger here. Speaking of this lounger, this one is going to be one of my favorite parts of the Grand Mariner. So you can see you can swap that seat back to face aft, and if you hit this trigger, you can lay it all the way flat. And that's when you can use these ratcheting seat backs here and adjust your seat back to whichever angle is more comfortable for you. And you can use this huge sun pad here when you've got the boat underway. So make our way back into the cockpit a little bit. You see this boat is set up with dual helm chairs, so it makes for a ton of space in the deck right here underneath our canopy. And you've got a nice area right beside that second captain's chair with a wireless charging pad for your phone, case to store some small items, and some cup holders on board there. Speaking of the sunshade, you can see we've got it right on top of our Harris Ion Tower here. All right, so that's got a tow bar up on top, and you're able to fold it down right above the windshield with just releasing these two pulls on the back here. Take a quick look at the helm. You've got your gauges paired up with your Simrad, makes for a super sporty look on the dash there. All of this Grand Mariner looks super sporty with that diamond stitchback on the helm and the upholstery, as well as the SeaDek on the raised helm here. You have some dedicated cover storage up here under this hatch. It's also where you've got a downward firing sub to pair with your JL Audio stereo system. Now up here in the bow, you got tons of seating as well as tons of storage. So underneath each of these seats is a nice big storage compartment that is self-draining, so you never have to worry about anything holding water or anything like that in there. You've also got two cup holders and trays on either side of the bow here, and plug-ins for all of your devices. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.